Two powerful AI platforms, Leonardo AI and Perplexity AI. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Leonardo AI, next-level creative image generation. And on the right, Perplexity AI, smart research and answers in seconds. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's the plan. Let's look at their core functionality. How creative can you actually get? Research and info power, pricing and free tiers, integrations and ecosystem, and honestly, who each tool is best for. I'll break it down one by one. And we'll declare the winner in each category. Ready? Let's jump in. So starting off with core functionality. Leonardo AI is all about super advanced text-to-image creation. You've got a bunch of models to play with: Phoenix, Flux, Photoreal, Lightning XL, Lucid Origin. It's kind of a playground for image nerds. Multi-layer editing. You can upload a reference, and it even does live image generation. But here's the catch. It's visual only, so don't expect answers, essays, or spreadsheets. You'll also end up tweaking your prompts a lot, which is sometimes kind of fun, sometimes not. Now, on the flip side, Perplexity AI is basically your research sidekick. AI-powered search. It pulls from tons of sources and spits back concise, citation-backed answers. Great for credibility, especially if you're a student or a blogger or, just want to sound smart. But it's not going to create images for you. The free version throws in some ads and, fewer bells and whistles versus pro mode. Both do their one job super well, though, so honestly, I gotta call it a tie here. Now let's talk creative potential. Leonardo AI is where things get really exciting. It'll generate everything from photorealistic stuff to totally trippy art, even stylized cartoons or concept sketches. You can upscale, add text, work off your own doodles. There's a flow state mode that, basically lets you get lost for hours just riffing on ideas, which, warning, it's addictive. Credit system can be a little confusing for casual users, and sometimes quality depends on your prompt skills. But when it works, it's wild. Perplexity AI, meanwhile, is mostly about text. Sure, it can give you a summary and a fun layout, but creative images? Not happening. Customization's pretty limited, so if you're all about visuals, you might be left wanting. So, hands down, Leonardo's taking the crown for creativity. Okay, diving into research and information. Leonardo can cook up educational or informative graphics, but let's be real, it's got no real research engine, no citations, and no synthesis. It's not built for that. Perplexity AI, though, now this is where it shines. You ask a question, it scans a bunch of sources, then spits back a clean, structured, and citation-filled answer. If you're a writer, researcher, or student, you'll get what you need fast. Sometimes it'll hit limits with really out-there niche topics, and free tier has some annoying ads, but overall, it's easily the winner for research. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Canva acquired Leonardo in July 2024? Yeah, so now it's mega integrated. And honestly, it's turned into one of the most plugged-in AI art options for creators. Pretty wild, right? Time for the money talk. Leonardo AI gives you about 100 free credits a day, which honestly gets you around 20 images. Most of the core stuff is available free, though if you're cranking out images like a maniac, you'll hit the limits and wait for credits to recharge. Fancier features, even higher res, that'll cost you more credits. Perplexity's free tier is generous with unlimited questions and solid research answers, but it'll hit you with ads. Want no ads and model options? You'll have to upgrade. So at the end of the day, both offer decent free access, but lock the best perks behind payment. I'm calling it even. Next up, integrations and ecosystem. Get this, Leonardo was actually acquired by Canva last summer, so it's now part of the Canva Dreamlab suite. It supports tons of models for different art vibes, and rumor is video gen features are coming soon. If you're into design flows, this is almost a dream setup. Downside, the integrations definitely lean towards visual workflows, so not much beyond the creative space. Perplexity AI is more of a universal browser tool, with APIs and support for big chat models like Claude, GPT-4, Llama. That means research everywhere, but it's really not made for creative apps. So, with all that, Leonardo comes out ahead on pure ecosystem firepower. All right, finally, who's this actually 4. Leonardo AI is honestly perfect for artists, designers, marketers, game devs, educators, and yeah, even business owners who just want quick, pro-looking images. If you need deep research or analytics though, honestly, not the tool. Perplexity AI's ideal user is anyone who needs fast, reliable answers with solid citations. Researchers, writers, students, journalists, the info nerds. But again, you won't get fancy art from this. Both kinda crush it for their own crowd, so I'm calling this a tie. Okay, so if you're a visual learner, imagine the radar chart. The creative and ecosystem spikes for Leonardo are off the charts, while Perplexity's strength is all about research and info. Pricing? Both hover in the middle. You're really picking the tool that fits your vibe. If you're after jaw-dropping images or creative magic, Leonardo AI is flat out amazing. But if you want fast, reliable, and trustworthy research answers, Perplexity AI is unbeatable. It's honestly that simple. So, visuals equals Leonardo. Need knowledge and synthesis? That's Perplexity.
Was this helpful?
If you want to get even more out of AI tools or find the perfect combo for your workflow, stick around because I've got tons of these breakdowns coming. Subscribe now. Don't miss the next big thing.